Why are there not more people talking about easy online income that actually works? It feels like every side hustle you see online either requires a huge upfront investment or just doesn't pay. If you're tired of the noise and looking for a simple, legitimate start, you're in the right place. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. This is a practical guide. We're about to break down 5 proven zero-investment online business ideas that you can start today. For each one, I'll give you the exact steps to get started, the common pitfalls to avoid, and a clear roadmap to your first dollar. We'll cover affiliate marketing, print-on-demand, digital products, freelance microservices, and online coaching. Everybody is looking for a simple start. Here it is. Ready? First up, affiliate marketing. The concept is simple. You promote other companies' products, and when someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. No stock, no shipping, no customer service headaches. You are the trusted bridge between a great product and the right customer. But where do you begin? It all starts with a niche. Don't just pick something popular. Choose a topic you're genuinely passionate about or a problem you know how to solve. Think about areas with purchasing intent. For example, instead of a general travel blog, focus on backpacking gear for solo female travelers. Specificity builds trust and attracts buyers. Once you have your niche, it's time to find products. Join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates for physical goods, or platforms like Impact, CJ, and Share a Sale for a wider variety of brands and digital services. A crucial note here, always read the terms of service. Be transparent and always disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience. Honesty is non-negotiable. Now, how do you get your links in front of people? Through content. This is your primary job as an affiliate. You can create short video reviews, detailed blog post comparisons, helpful tutorials, or simple top 5 lists. Focus on basic search engine optimization, or SEO. Use keywords in your titles and descriptions that people are actually searching for. Think best running shoes for beginners instead of just cool shoes. Traffic is the lifeblood of this model. You can get it for free from search engines like Google, or by creating engaging short-form content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Pinterest is a visual search engine powerhouse for many niches and engaging genuinely in relevant Reddit communities, without spamming, can also drive targeted visitors. To level up, build a simple funnel. Offer a free, valuable resource, like a downloadable checklist or a mini guide, in exchange for an email address. This allows you to build a direct line of communication with your audience, where you can share more value and recommend relevant products over time, not just once. Here's a micro plan to make it real. Day 1. Choose your niche and find 3 products to promote. Day 3. Script a simple comparison video or write a blog post. Day 7. Publish it. Day 14. Look at your analytics, see what worked, and iterate. The biggest pitfalls to avoid are being impatient, overpromising on a product's capabilities, and ignoring your data. Let the numbers guide your next move. Second on our list is print on demand, or POD. This is where your creativity can truly shine, with zero inventory risk. You create a design, upload it to a platform, and apply it to products like t-shirts, mugs, or posters. When a customer buys it, a third-party company prints, packs, and ships it for you. You just collect the profit. The key to success in POD is tapping into niches built around identity, humor, or passion. Think about professions like nurses or engineers, hobbies like fishing or knitting, or trending memes and social causes. Before you design, validate your idea. Search on marketplaces like Etsy or Redbubble to see if similar items are selling and what keywords they use. You don't need to be a world-class artist. Free tools like Canva or Photopea are perfect for creating simple, text-based or graphic designs. For more advanced features, a tool like Kittle can be a game changer. Once your design is ready, use a mock-up generator like Placeit to create professional-looking product photos in seconds. Now, where do you sell? You can start on marketplaces like Etsy, Redbubble, or Amazon Merch on Demand, which have built-in audiences. Or, for more control, you can set up your own Shopify store and connect it to a fulfillment service like Printful or Printify. The marketplace route is faster to start. The personal store route offers better long-term branding and margins. Your listing is your salesperson. Follow this formula: a keyword-heavy title that a customer would search for, a description that highlights the benefits and emotional connection of the design, and using all 10 to 13 available tags on platforms like Etsy. Think like your customer. What words would they use to find your product? Pricing is a balance. You need to cover the base cost of the item and shipping, the platform fees, and still leave a healthy profit margin for yourself. A typical margin is around 20 to 40%. Start there, and as you get sales and positive reviews, you can test higher prices. Design once, sell forever. That's the power of this model. Our third idea is creating and selling digital products. This is one of the most profitable online businesses because your profit margin is close to 100%. You create the product once, and you can sell it an infinite number of times without any additional manufacturing or shipping costs. What can you sell? The possibilities are vast. Think ebooks on a topic you're an expert in, Notion templates for productivity or project management, budget tracking spreadsheets, Lightroom presets for photographers, or even mini courses. The key is to create a product that solves a specific problem and delivers a clear outcome. Don't just sell a spreadsheet, sell the 30-day debt-free budget tracker. To come up with an idea, map a problem to an outcome. Problem: content creators are disorganized. Outcome: a streamlined content planning and scheduling system. Your product is the bridge. For example, a Notion content planner template could include modules for idea generation, a content calendar, a script template, and a performance tracker. You're selling organization and peace of mind. Selling your digital product is easier than ever. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, and Ko-fi allow you to set up a simple storefront in minutes. They handle payment processing and automatic delivery of the files to your customers. It's a completely automated system once you've set it up. A powerful strategy here is the lead magnet and upsell tree. Start by offering a small, free digital product, a lead magnet, to build your email list. Once someone signs up, you can immediately offer them a low-cost tripwire product like a $7 template. Later, you can introduce them to your core product and then perhaps a premium bundle. This builds trust and maximizes the value of each customer. Create and sell repeatedly. That's the magic of digital assets. Fourth, let's talk about freelance microservices. If you have a skill, you can monetize it online without needing a huge portfolio or years of experience. This isn't about landing massive corporate clients from day one. It's about offering small, specific, and valuable services. Think small. Instead of writer, offer to write 5 SEO-optimized product descriptions. Instead of graphic designer, offer to design 3 eye-catching YouTube thumbnails. Other ideas include writing podcast show notes, creating social media captions, or recording short voiceovers. These are tasks that business owners need done, but don't have time for. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Contra are your best friends when starting out. They are search engines for services. The key is to create a compelling profile. Your headline should clearly state the result you deliver. Set up 3 distinct packages: basic, standard, and premium, with clear deliverables and delivery times. Proactively answer common questions in your FAQ section to reduce friction for buyers. A smooth workflow makes you look professional and saves you time. Create a simple intake form to gather all the necessary information from your client up front. Use templates for your work to ensure consistency and speed. Your process should be intake, draft, client approval, final delivery. This structured approach prevents endless revisions and scope creep, a common pitfall where the project grows beyond the original agreement. Once you have a client, think about upsells. You can offer rush delivery for an extra fee, additional revisions, or even bundle your services into a monthly retainer for ongoing work. The goal is to start on these platforms to build your portfolio and reputation, and then, over time, scale to working with direct clients through your own professional website. Finally, our fifth idea: online tutoring or coaching. If you have expertise in any area, whether it's a school subject, a musical instrument, a software program, or a business skill, you can teach it to others online. People will pay for knowledge that helps them achieve a specific goal. You don't need a fancy setup. Free tools like Google Meet or Zoom are perfect for video calls. Calendly is a fantastic free tool for scheduling sessions, automatically handling time zones and sending reminders. You can share resources and assignments using a simple Google Drive folder. The key is to create a structured, outcome-driven curriculum. For example, a 4-week Guitar for Beginners program with clear weekly goals. When it comes to pricing, you have two main options: charge per hour or charge for a complete program or package. A great way to attract clients is by offering a free 15-minute discovery call. This allows you to understand their needs and explain how you can help, building trust before they commit. As you work with students, actively collect testimonials. A few sentences from a happy client are incredibly powerful social proof. You can feature these on your social media, your scheduling page, or a simple personal website to build authority and attract more students. You are monetizing what you already know. So, we've covered 5 powerful, zero-investment business models, but information is useless without action. Here are a few quick tips to get you moving. First, and most importantly, pick one. Don't try to do all of them. Choose the one that excites you the most and commit to testing it for the next 14 to 21 days. Focus is your superpower. Second, as soon as you make your first $100, reinvest it back into the business. This doesn't have to be complicated. You could run a small, targeted ad campaign to drive traffic. Or, you could invest in a premium tool that saves you time or improves the quality of your work. This is how you accelerate your growth. Third, track your progress. Know your numbers. At a minimum, track your clicks, your conversion rate, and your effective hourly revenue. This data will tell you what's working and what's not, so you can double down on your successes and cut your losses quickly. The secret isn't some hidden tactic. It's starting today and staying consistent. Small, consistent efforts compound into massive results over time. Watch those small wins stack up. If you found this guide helpful, a like and subscribe would be amazing. And I want to know, which idea are you going to start with? Comment below. To help you get started, I've created a free zero investment starter checklist that you can download using the link in the description. Now, it's your move.